Hello, this is Chad from the sales department. We need the latest bill of materials to provide customers with updated pricing. Can you dig that up and send it over? I know you sent me a version last week, but I need the latest file.
Look familiar? Handling disparate data to make complex products requires systems to manage and connect your data to one source of truth. Whether your company makes motorcycles, speakers, or cell phones, your design process starts on a computer screen. Typically, part drawings and assemblies to produce this phone would be stored in data silos. We're talking dozens to hundreds of silos. After a single design iteration, each piece of data must be updated and redistributed, increasing your margin of error. Great products require revisions. Product lifecycle and data management are essential to controlling these revisions. Team D3 creates a strategy for your data, enabling you to break down data silos, fix mistakes sooner, and supercharge product collaboration. Team D3's tools provide secure locations to store product information. Stay up to date with revisions and always keep your data at the center. We'll sort files by department and organize your data with the PDM system. But what about the rest of your product's lifecycle? A PLM system allows data to flow openly through your business, creating seamless connections between all departments, from manufacturing to sales and accounting. Automatically generate a bill of materials using your CAD data, giving your organization and suppliers immediate access. Once the final design is ready for manufacturing, simply move it to the production stage to bring it to life. We'll set up workspaces for change orders, new product introductions, product development, and more to optimize your new and existing products' life cycles. We'll go live and your inefficient product lifecycle becomes a coherent, collaborative process, circulated around your data. Improve your products and get them to your customer faster. Start your digital transformation journey with Team D3.